Example 6. This problem is related to locus. A is equals to minus 2 comma 8, B is equals to 3 comma minus 2. P moves such that PA is to PB is equals to 2 is to 3. Then find the locus of P. A is equals to minus 2 comma 8. A is equals to minus 2 comma 8. B is equals to 3 comma minus 2. B is equals to 3 comma minus 2. And I say P x comma y, a point on locus, is a point on locus such that PA is to PB is equals to 2 is to 3. PA is to PB is equals to 2 is to 3. From this one, I say 3 times PA is equals to 2 times PB. Squaring on both sides, 9 times PA square equals to 4 times PB square. Yes, we apply distance formula, that is under root of x2 minus x1 the whole square, y2 minus y1 the whole square. But as a square of the distance between them is just without square, you have to write the formula. Okay, distance of the point P from A, written it as x minus of minus, x minus of minus plus 2 whole square plus y minus 8 taken whole square is equals to 4 times x minus 3 PB square, distance between these 2 points, that is square of the distance between P and B, x minus 3 whole square plus y plus 2 whole square. That on simplifying 9 times, expanding this, you will be getting a square plus 2ab plus b square plus a square minus 2ab plus b square, that is equals to 4 times a square minus 2ab plus b square and a square plus 2ab plus b square. That on simplifying you get it 9x square and 4x square. Simplifying you get it as 5x square. And let us see y square terms. Left hand side 9y square, right hand side 4y square remains 5y square, 5 times y square. Now let us see x terms. So 9 4s are 36, left hand side, and right hand side, and 4 6 are 24. 36 plus 24 is 60x plus 60x. And y terms 16 9s are minus 144, and right hand side 4 4s are 16. When you just add them, you get it 160y minus 160y, and constant terms. So 6 64 plus 4, 68 into 9. Okay, 68 into 9. 9 8s are 72, 9 6 are 54. You get it, 612 minus, and 9 and 4, 13 4s are 52. Subtracting it, you will be getting 560 plus 560 equals to 0. Dividing by 5, you get it, x square y square plus 12x minus 32 times of y plus 112 is equals to 0. So, the locus is given by this one. Yes, x square y square 12x minus 32y plus 112 is equals to 0.